How to replace the fuel line on a Weed Eater PE550. The Weed Eater PE550 gas etcher, manufactured by the Poulan Corporation, like all small engine power tools, contains a small fuel line that connects the tank to the carburetor. When working properly, this line sucks fuel up to the carburetor to keep the piston pumping. When the line is blocked, kinked or broken, the gas flow will start to suffocate the engine, which will eventually shut off and quit working. This line must stay unobstructed at all times to keep the engine running. Things you'll need: approved fuel container, screwdriver, needle-nosed pliers, metal wire baling wire, scissors, fuel filter. Turn the edger's ignition switch on the handle into the off position. Switch the choke lever into the closed setting. Open the gas tank and tip the edger on its side to drain the fuel into the approved fuel container. Unscrew the two air filter cover screws, located in between the two wheels on the rear of the engine. Lift the cover away and pull out the foam filter. Unhook the rubber boot from the end of the spark plug. Reach around to the right side of the engine, just underneath the cylinder, and locate the main fuel line in the carburetor. Unhook the plastic line from the carburetor's intake using the needle-nosed pliers. Twist the end of the baling wire into a hook. Dig the hook into the fuel tank and grab the end of the fuel line. Draw the line to the opening and grab it with the pliers. Tug the line, with attached fuel filter, out through the tank. Measure out a new fuel line that's 2 inches longer than the old line. Cut one of the new line's ends into an inch-long taper, with a pointed tip. Unbend the hook of the wire and push it through the fuel line. Push both the wire and line through the hole inside the fuel tank until they both come out near the carburetor. Pull the line closer to the carburetor and take the wire out through the tank slowly. Cut off the inch-long taper. Push in the new fuel filter's nozzle into the end of the fuel line inside the tank. Drop them to the bottom of the tank. Reattach the fuel line to the carburetor. Reconnect the spark plug's boot. Fit the air filter and cover into place, tightening down both screws.